Welcome back. Well, the cues are all right. I mean, not too bad, you could say. The question is, what about stocks? And that's the implied open. Look at that. The Bulls really want to charge ahead, make a comeback today. Let's see if they can manage to do that. Now, in terms of individual stocks, there's plenty to track this morning, and our team is standing by, as always, with the CNBC TV 18 list of top stocks to watch. Guys, morning and happy Friday to all of you. Vamakshi, let me open with you. What are the names on your radar?
Well, good morning, Surbhi. Let me first start off with Protein eGov Technologies. The stock is expected to open lower today, and that is because NSE Investments is looking to sell up to 20.31% stake in the company via OFS, or that is offer for sale. OFS includes base issue of 10.16% equity and has a green shoe option of another 10.16%. The floor price for this issue has been determined at 1,550 rupees per share. It opens for non-retail investors today and for retail investors on November 25th. Since this is a clean out trade coming in from NSE Investments, going with the red for discounter. Apart from that, keep an eye out on Tata Power. The company has signed an MOU, that is a memorandum of understanding, with Asian Development Bank. They will be evaluating financing worth $4.25 billion for several of its key clean power projects. SJVN is the next counter that I'll be watching out for. They've signed an MOU with the Rajasthan government's Energy Department for development of renewable energy capacity in the state. Under the MOU, SJVN would develop nearly 5 gigawatts of pumped storage projects and 2 gigawatts of floating solar projects in the state of Rajasthan. And lastly, let's focus on Afcons Infra. They have been declared as the lowest bidder for a project worth 1,274 crores from Uttarakhand Project Development and Construction Corp.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, Vamakshi. Well, let's hop across to Vinny. She's here with some more stocks in the news. Vinny.
Good morning, Nigel. So yes, we have some important news flows coming in for Apollo Microsystems, because we're seeing that the company has received a withdrawal consent from some of the allottees and subscribers for its convertible equity warrants. So we're expecting a red over here. The name of the allottees who have withdrawn their consent is Eminence Global Fund, PCC, North Star Opportunities, as well as AG Dynamic Funds. And the reason is mainly because of the delay in opening the preferential offer. Moving on, we have MAN Industries that's in focus. We're expecting a green here. Now, the company had spoken about divesting its non-core assets previously, and this one is Manerios Shelter Private Limited. MSPL is what the company is calling. They're looking to divest the stake, and this is going to happen in the next 3 months. The company MSPL, that is a wholly owned subsidiary of MAN Industries, had around a 200 crore revenue in FY24. So keep an eye out on this one. ACC, NLC, as well as JSW Energy, they are going to be in focus because they are among the 5 companies who have bagged 5 mines at the first day of the 10th round of the commercial mine allocation. So ACC has bagged the coal mine in Madhya Pradesh, NLC India and JSW Energy Utkal has bagged 1 block each in Odisha. So keep an eye on that one. Lastly, Emphasis also is in focus. We're expecting green here as the company has signed a partnership with MoneyGram has F1 team, and this is going to be revolutionizing the motorsport performance for that F1 team. So keep an eye out on that one.
Okay, got it. Thanks very much for that, Vinny. NLC India, remember, in a falling market yesterday, was up some 7-8%, and now the news is out, so you know the excitement. Let's quickly recap our list of top stocks to watch. The ones that have positive news flow around them are Tata Power, SJVN, Afcons Infrastructure, MAN Industries, ACC, NLC, JSW Energy and Memphasis, while stocks with negative news flow are Protean eGovernance Tech and Apollo Microsystems. Okay, so those are the stocks to watch today. What about the commodity cues that we're getting? We have Manisha with us for a quick roundup. Manisha, the countdown is on. 100,000 USD. Is it happening or not? Bitcoin.
As it happens when you're waiting for that very important psychological level, it tests your patience as well, and that's exactly what Bitcoin seems to be doing. So near yet so far is how we are trading with it, and it's trading exactly at 98,000 even as of now. So it looks like before this weekend ends, and by the way, there are no weekends for cryptos as well. Remember, they travel 24/7. So, well, we could be looking at that number. But the gains also have come back in many of the commodities. So when you look at the gold prices, we are trading at a 1-week highs now. The prices have gained up by 4% in this week. There is safe haven buying, and intensifying Russia-Ukraine tensions clearly seem to be supportive. Same is the case with crude oil prices. These gained 2% overnight. There is an OPEC meeting scheduled for 1st of December. Would be interesting to see if OPEC yet again postpones increase in output production. Apart from that, there are various Fed official speeches as well slated for today, so the markets would get the next direction from that one.
All right, Manisha, thank you very much for that. So that is the picture coming through with the commodities space as well. We'll take a quick commercial break here. Siddharth Khemka is going to be joining in for some fundamental stock talk. We'll also, as promised, have the management of PG Electroplast join in on their new foray. Stay with us.